Students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Math Teacher of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. Student, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 5C, chapter 5, arithmetic progression of class 10 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So let's start, for students. First question is question number 21. So 21 number question कि in an AP the first term is 2 and the last term is 29 and the sum of all the terms is 155. Sum of all the terms is 155. Find the CD, find the common difference. So let's start, for students. Given the first term is 2, for A equal to 2 and the last term is 29, L equal to 29, L and Tn both are same, L is 29 and the sum of all the terms is 155. For Fn equal to sum of all terms is 155. Okay, find the CD, common difference निकालना. So we know that the sum of n terms equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Using this formula, sum of n terms, n by 2 into a plus l. For students, Sn equal to 155 and n by 2, a equal to 2 or plus l equal to 29. Okay, for students, 155 equal to n by 2 multiply 29 and 2, 31. Okay, so students, 155 multiply 2 equal to 31n. So 310 equal to 31n. 31 10 ja 310. So n equal to 10. Okay, total number of terms of in this AP equal to 10. Okay, and find the CD. So T10 equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 9D. Okay, and T10 is the last term and the last term equal to 29. Okay, for last term T10 equal to 29 equal to what? A plus 9D. For A plus 9D equal to 29. 29 is the last term and total number of terms equal to 10. For T10 is the last term. Okay, so A equal to 2 plus 9D equal to 29. For 9D equal to 29 minus 2, that is 27. If D equal to 27 by 9, 9 3 are 27. So D equal to 3. Okay, so the common difference of this AP equal to 3. So our next question is question number 26. What is question number 26? So the 12th term of an AP is minus 30. The 12th term of an AP is minus 30 and the sum of its first 4 terms is 24. Find the sum of its first 10 terms. Okay, so let's start, for students. Let's start solution. Given the 12th term of an AP is minus 13, that is T12 equal to minus 13. To T12, that is A plus 12 minus 1 into D equal to minus 13. Okay, so we write कि A plus 11D equal to minus 13. This is equation first. Okay, and sum of its first 4 terms is 24. That is F4. F4 equal to n by 2 into 2A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Okay, so that is F4 equal to what? 24. 2 2 ja 24. 2 into 2A plus 4D minus D. Okay, for students, 24 2 12 is 24. Okay, so 12 equal to 2A plus 3D. 4D minus 1D, that is 3D. For students, 2A plus 3D equal to 12. This is equation 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. In equation 1, multiply 2. Multiply by 2. So students, from equation 1 and 2 we get the 1, 2A, 2 into A, 2A plus 11 multiply 2, that is 22D equal to minus 13 multiply 2, that is minus 26. Okay. Second, 2A plus 3D. 2A plus 3D equal to 12. Equal to 12. On subtracting, students, on subtracting, sign is change, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. Minus 2A plus 2A is cancel, and minus 3D and plus 22D. 22D minus 3D, that is plus 19D equal to minus 26 and minus 12, that is minus 38. 19 to 38, that is D equal to minus 2. Okay, the value of D equal to minus 2. Put the value of D in equation first. So from equation first, A plus 11D equal to minus 30. A plus 11D, D equal to minus 2, equal to minus 30. Okay, for A plus minus minus 11 to 22, that is minus 30, and A equal to 22 minus 30 equal to 9. So students, A equal to 9 and D equal to minus 2. So find the sum of its first 10 terms. So first 10 terms, that is F10. F10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2A. 2 and A equal to 9. For 2 multiply 9, 2A plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, and D equal to minus 2. Okay, so 2 5 ja 10, that is 5, and 9 2 ja 18, and 10 minus 1, that is 9 multiply minus 2. Okay, for students, 5, 18 and minus 18, that is 5 multiply 0, that is 0. So the sum of first 10 terms equal to 0. Students, our next question is question number 30. Two APs have the same common difference. Common difference are same of both APs. If the first term of these APs be 3 and 8, first term of the first AP is 3 and the first term of the second AP is 8 respectively, find the difference between the sum of their first 50 terms. Okay, so the difference between the first 50 terms of both APs. So let's start, students. Solution. S50, sum of 50 terms of the first AP. Okay, so S50 equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 50 by 2 into 2A. So the first term of the first AP is 3. So 2A, that is 2A plus n minus 1, 50 minus 1 into D is common difference, that is D. Okay, so 225, 3 2 ja 6 plus 49 D. Okay, so 25 into 6 plus 49 D, and sum of 50 terms of the second AP is S-50. S-50, that is 50 by 2 into 2A. A is the 8 8 is the first term of the second AP plus n minus 1, 50 minus 1 and to D. Okay, for D is same common difference of the two APs, that is 25 into 8 to the 16 plus 49D. Okay, for students, required the difference between the both form of 50 terms, required difference between the sum of their first 50 term. Required difference equal to 25 into 16 plus 49D minus 25 into 6 plus 49D. Okay, so this implies 25 is common. Chunki 25 is present in both terms. 25 is common. Rest is 16 plus 49D, 16 plus 49D and minus 6 and minus 49D. Minus 49D plus 49D is cancelled. 25 multiplied 16 minus 6 is 10. That is 250. Okay. For the difference between the both APs of sum of their first 50 terms is 200. Our next question is question number 35. The sum of first n terms of the two APs are in the ratio 3n plus 8 is to 7n plus 15. Find the ratio of their 12th term. For students, let A1, D1 and Sn with the first term, common difference and sum of n terms of the first AP, and A2, D2 and S dash n is the first term, second term and the sum of n terms of the second AP. Okay. For students, the sum of first n terms of the two APs are in the ratio for Fn by F dash n equal to 3n plus 8 by 7n plus 15. Okay. For students, Fn equal to n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 d1 divided by f dash n equal to n by 2 into 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 equal to 3n plus 8 by 7n plus 15. Students, A1 is the first term of the first AP, D1 is the common difference of the first AP, and Asn with the sum of n terms of the first AP, and A2 is the first term of the second AP, D2 is the common difference of the second AP, and F dash n is the sum of n terms of the second AP. Okay. For student, n by 2 is cancelled. So here 2a1 plus n minus 1 d1 by 2a2 plus n minus 1 d2 equal to 3n plus 8 by 7n plus 15. Okay. On dividing 2 on both sides. So dividing 2, so that is 2a1 by 2 or plus n minus 1 by 2 into d1 divided by 2a2 by 2 plus n minus 1 by 2 into d2. Okay, and 3n plus 8 by 2 and divided by 7n plus 15 by 2. 2 is cancelled. Okay. For students, here 2 is cancelled, 2 is cancelled. A1 plus n minus 1 by 2 d1 divided by A2 plus n minus 1 by 2 d2 equal to 3n plus 8 by 7n plus 50. 7n plus 50. So students, a1 plus n minus 1 by 2 into d1 and by a2 plus n minus 1 by 2 into d2 equal to 3n plus 8 by 7n plus 50. So students, a1 plus 11d, find the 12th term. 12th term, that is a1 plus 11d1 and 8 by a2 plus 11d2. So students, n minus 1 by 2 equal to 11. n minus 1 by 2 equal to 11. That is n minus 1 equal to 22 and n equal to 23. So put the value of n equal to 23 on both sides. So students, a1 plus 23 minus 1 by 2 d1 divided by a2 plus 23 minus 1 by 2 d2 equal to 3 multiply 23 plus 8 or by 7 multiply 23 plus 50. Okay. So students, a1 plus 23 minus 1 that is 22 and divided by 2 that is 11. 11 d1 that is a2 plus 23 minus 1 by 2 that is 11 d2 equal to, for student, a1 plus 11 d1 equal by a2 plus 11 d2 equal to 77 by 176. The a1 plus 11 d1 that is t12 and a2 plus 11 d2 that is t dash 12. So 11 7 is 77, 11 6, 7 by 16. So students, t12 is to t dash 12 equal to 7 is to 16. Okay, clear?